Hi guys, so today we are going to check out how to use ChatGPT as a creative tool to create new posts and reels and text for social media. So I'm going to show you how to create your account as free, and we are going to create new post text and ask ChatGPT what should we use as our social media strategies, and we continue our work as well. So let's get down to work. So now I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to create an outstanding text or content for social media. You can just type in ChatGPT at Google search or any kind of search and just click on it, and it will open soon. Or you can download the app as well. I'll show you how to do that. Just a sec. Now we are going to create a new account like used in other one. I'm going to log out and create a new account. Then I will show you what should you type in to get the result what you want from ChatGPT. Now we are going to use this account. So let's open it. Now we opened our account. In just a sec. So as you can see, there are several topics to use, like ideas, planning their plans as well, and create pictures or just give advice for you. So now we are going to type in ChatGPT to ask to create a new text for us, which is good for the social media platform and algorithm. Now we are going to create a text for Instagram. So please act as a social media expert strategist for my business on Instagram. Then you write in what kind of business you do or what kind of content or theme you have. So I'm selling art and painting, so I'm going to say that to ChatGPT. I'm selling my paintings and I help artists and creative people grow on Instagram. So please write me new texts for my future post. And we can ask to use common language and keywords and make it feel like a friendly text as well. And we can ask also to use emojis, some kind of emojis, and we can ask also to focus on our services, which is good for the people and the customers, on my services. And just that's it. We write in the text, and we are going to ask for write 5 post examples with topics for Instagram. So this is here the text, and now it's going to create your post and text ideas. As you can see, this is the first one: post, promote your coaching services, struggling growth to your account on Instagram, and it will focus on the main thing. And as you can see, there are edited hashtags as well we can use as an example. This is the second one for share a success story. You just edit the text and it's free to go. And this is the third one. Now you can add an extra offer for limited time of service and percentage of our prices, and you can add emojis and hashtags as well. This is the fourth one. As you can see, there are several topics, and design is always different. So we are going to ask some new things to do. Next time we are going to ask ChatGPT to create the topic of the reels. Please continue, create five topic, reel title and text in this theme. So this is it, and it's going to create the same and outstanding result as well that we can use and get some ideas what to record as a reel. So here is the 5 Instagram tips for artists in 30 seconds. As you can see, there are several topics and captions. Use niche hashtags, post constantly, show your process, tell your story. And this is the second one. So that, like you see, it's so easy to create new content and ideas. Now I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create a post example for us. Please create me a picture example based on the recent information. And we can ask ChatGPT what kind of design she can or he can use as well. So I'm going to ask elegant and Python-based design. The design is elegant and simple. So I hope it's understanding he or she can create a picture as well. So let's see the result. Oh, this is so fast. As you can see, you can create any pictures, post, reels, or ask anything from ChatGPT. Now let's see the final result. As you can see, this is so pretty. Grow your art, build your art brand. I think it's so good example. And you can download it or share it as well. Now we are going to ask something else. So we are going to ask to show our trending hashtags. Please show the trending hashtags in the topic right now. It's going to show you what kind of hashtags you can use right now, and what kind of hashtags are trending right now, so you can use it easily. Please show the trending hashtag in the topic right now. So let's see what we can have here. So we have general hashtags like art inspiration, art community, art life, creative art. These are the general hashtags, are always trending. So specific art medium hashtags, as you can see, there are several. Abstract art, the abstract lovers, and there is a digital art. Like digital art is digital drawing. There's a watercolor. Tips for effective hashtag using, and you can see there are added some extra information as well to how to use the hashtags as well. So I think it was worth it. And you can see there is a page where ChatGPT analyze the information. So now we are going to ask to write another post or reel. Please write me my future reel text knowing this trending hashtags, use common language and keywords, make it friendly, and my topic is behind the scenes why I'm creating. So let's see what we are going to get. So here's the real text ideas. So you can see there are so many tabs, like a morning coffee, like a sketching the vision, bringing colors to canvas. So we can get also new hashtag trending examples as well. So let's continue our work. Now we are going to ask ChatGPT, please act as a social media expert in strategies for my business. So create me a posting strategy for a month. So let's see what strategy we can get from ChatGPT for a month. I think it's a better way to create a plan, like it's easier and faster. So here's the first week, build an awareness. So you can see there is so many captions here, hashtags and text ideas, and there are reels ideas as well, like content, 15 and 30 seconds reel sharing 5 simple Instagram tips for artists. And there are some new texts and topics like behind the scene carousel. And this is the second week, education and engaging. As you can see, there are different kinds of hashtag trending ideas, and content ideas is so different as well. Like you should build your own audience as well. So here is the third week, showcasing and promoting. Post 7 Monday, client's story post. As you can see, we can move forward to the fourth week, wrapping up and reflecting. This is the Monday educational post and infographic. So we are going to ask ChatGPT to make it more detailed and create a picture with this strategy. Please make it more detailed. Now we are going to see a more detailed plan for the months. Then we are going to ask ChatGPT to create a picture with this information that we can save it for anywhere and keep in mind. So you can see there are several texts and make it longer. So you can start with introducing yourself, then ask for your audience questions and use some hashtags. This is the other one. Here's the new captions as well. And this is the Friday behind the scenes creative process. There is a new caption, hashtags. This is the second week, education and engaging content. And this is the third week is coming, showcasing and promoting. Monday client testimonial post. As you can see, there are so many details that you can rely on. Then you can just edit it or just write some sentences and an extra. So we are the next text. Now we have the fourth week. Now we have the captions as well and the questions for the audience. As you can see, that is so easy and so fast while the ChatGPT is creating these texts. So we are going to ask to create a picture of this. Please create a picture of the strategy that I can use through this time. So let's see. I think it's gonna be great and simple to understand. And I think it's so useful when we have a picture in front of us, so we can never forget what we are going to plan or what we should do this day or tomorrow's plans. Now we can see. Let's see. As you can see, you can download it or share it. Oh, this is so pretty. You can download it and edit it anytime, or just ask ChatGPT to create another one. So you can write on it and edit it. Then you can post it or just save it to your gallery. Now we are going to ask another picture to create. Another picture, more detailed information. Keep it simple and white. Now I'm going to ask this. Let's see if we can have a more detailed picture of this strategy. I think it's gonna be more detailed and maybe a bit bigger picture as well. But let's see what we can have now. Just in a minute. Here's a more detailed and clean design of your Instagram posting strategy. Let me know if you like any changes. So as you can see, you can ask any changes to make from ChatGPT. Now we can have this amazing, beautiful design, 1 month Instagram strategy for you. And as you can see, there are separated days with texts, strategy plans. This is just for example, so you can edit anytime or add some information or make it bigger as your plans is growing as well. So now we are going to ask ChatGPT to give ideas for a future post on Facebook. Let's make it Facebook. Please give 5 ideas in my art theme for Facebook post. So let's see what we can have. We asked ChatGPT to give 5 ideas for a future Facebook post. So let's see what we can get. First one is spot the fake challenge. Like post ideas, share an image that includes both AI generated face or real photography side by side. So let's see our next one, behind the scene. Process caption. Here's a glimpse into how I bring the tension between truths. This is the third one, provoking question, and we are going to ask ChatGPT to give a detailed description. Do me a more detailed, longer post. So let's see a longer post in the same topics. So first one is the spot fake challenge. Here, as you can see the post content, I think you can tell what's real and what's not. And we can ask for ChatGPT to add some emojis or hashtags as well. This is the second one. Or I will show you how to ask ChatGPT to create a longer text, like a poet or something, after this task. Let's see what we can get here. The fourth. As you can see, you can add links as well and questions as well. And this is the fifth one. The post content is about the exhibition. And we are going to ask to generate a Facebook event text. Write a Facebook event text for our community meeting. Let's see what ChatGPT was going to generate here. So we can see our upcoming Facebook text event or any kind of event text. You can ask ChatGPT to generate and you can edit it, and it's just an idea, or for example how you should use this sample as well, and ask detailed more descriptions or something. So we are going to ask to make it more detailed. Make it more detailed. Let's see. Here you can see there is a community evening and exploring truth in the digital age. As you can see, ChatGPT going to offer you a theme or ask you what kind of theme you are making this Facebook event. Is it live or physical, or what ChatGPT should know about this theme or topic, in what design or what kind of text you wanna use, or what kind of friendly text or something else. So let's see what we got. As you can see, this is the free event. There is a location, time, and date here, and there is a title and theme, and then following some details about the event, what to expect, insight, presentation, interactive discussion, sneak peek, practical tips and tools, why you should attend. So we can use this information as an idea, and edit it, or just copy it and make it our own. Who should attend? And there is a RSVP now and be part of the conversation thing to make the audience more engaged with your content. So we are going to ask to generate a picture of the post. Please do create the event picture. So let's see what kind of picture we are going to have. I think it's going to be some fun, colorful picture of the event. Now we almost got it. Here is the event image. The type is exploring truth in the digital age. In the future, futuristic design enthusiasm, the theme of authentics versus digital manipulation. Let me know if you need anything. So let's see our picture. Oh, this is so cool. This is so modern, kind of edgy vibes. So you can download it or edit it, or you can share with your friends and show the audience as well. We are going to ask description of the event. Write the description of the event. Let's see what kind of description we are going to get. So the topic is exploring the truth in the digital age. As you can see, it's already generated some kind of description and text to join the community where we'll dive into these pressing issues, discussing how artificial intelligence and digital tools are reshaping art. Even highlights there are even several topics and art and technology, community connections, where you attend. There is a date, time, and location where you can write your own answer, and admission you can change it for the price, or if it's a free event you can just let it be. So I think it's a great description as well. So here we are. See, it was so easy to create your account, start your own strategies for social media and creating post text and everything. Hope you guys enjoy my videos for today. That's for all today. So see you next time. Bye bye.